What's up YouTube students, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to trade on the small account, but the main purpose of this video is not actually to show you guys the profit I'm making or the loss I'm making. I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks on how to trade on the small account. And as you guys can see, I'm currently trading USD on a 0.01 loss size, and this is the profit I'm currently making right now. It was about $10 this morning, but I took at least just one trade today or two trades today, and then I'm at 11. The equity right now is about $11.23. So I think by the end of the week I should be able to take this $10 account to at least $20, right? No, at the end of this week, this is Friday already, so maybe next week I can do something with this account. So look at the pairs I'm currently that are actually on my watch list: USD, USD, AUD, and US Tech. This US Tech I just added it this morning. Right, I just added it this morning. Not that I actually trade US Tech, no, I just added it this morning in case there's any opportunity that I need to see in this market. Now the way I trade, I usually share it on my channel, right? The way I trade, but let me just brief you guys on the analysis that I did before entering this market. Let me just share it with you guys. So subscribe to the channel. This video is the type of video that you don't want to ever miss, because it takes me a lot of time to actually create this type of videos. So what I actually did is that I went over to a higher time frame, just like the 1 hour time frame. I saw a trend down to the down to the downside, right? I saw a downward trend. As you guys can see, this trend line that I drew right here, are you seeing this black line that I drew? A trend line. Now first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, broke. Now the market in a way retest. The market have already retest this zone, and then the market is actually pushing up. Now let me show you guys where the market retest. The market retest, as I think it was on the 15 minute of the 30 minute time frame. Yeah, on the 15 minute time frame. As you guys can see, the market has already retest this zone. So I'm actually anticipating that the market is actually going to go up and actually fill this imbalance here. Guys, that's why you guys need to be watching my videos. There's imbalance here that needs to be filled. Look at this imbalance here and here. So here the market need to fill this imbalance, and there are a lot of people that would love to actually sell from here. The market is going to take them out, and there will be liquidity at this point. The market is actually going to take them out, go and fill up this imbalance. Then maybe it might hit up this resistance level. Maybe it might be this resistance level that is going to cause the market to actually fall all the way down. Let me explain what I actually said. The market has a retest. Now the market is going up. Now if you look at this box I actually drew here, there is imbalance here of fair value gap. I've already explained this in my previous video, so go and watch my previous video. So there's imbalance there, and I am actually anticipating that this imbalance is going to attract the market to move, because the market has already broken down and has actually broken down, retest, and now it's actually going up. There's imbalance here, and the market is already on a demand zone, and this demand zone led the market to actually move. When it retests here, now it's going up again. Maybe it's going to retest a little up before it's going to come and hit this level. Maybe it might hit up to this resistance level that's going to make the market to fall and maybe break down this demand zone. So guys, that's what I actually did, and as you guys can see, I'm on profit right now, but I actually jumped into the trade on the 30-minute time frame. Right, so there's imbalance in the candlestick. Let me actually zoom my candle. Let me actually zoom it so that I'll explain to you guys what they mean by imbalance. Now look at this, guys. Look at this difference. Now look at this here and here. Normally this candle ought to connect to this candle, maybe with weak rejection. They need to connect, but if you look, they did not connect. Look at this. This is called imbalance of fair value gap, and the market needs to come and fill up that position. Now look at this. The market has filled up the position. Now look at this again. There's imbalance here. The market moved and filled up this position. There's imbalance here again, but look, the market has not filled up that position. So I decided to bring out a box that is going to circle out that position. And when I did that, are you guys seeing this? So I'm actually anticipating that the market is actually going to go up there and fill up that imbalance. Now when it has filled up that imbalance, then maybe I'll be looking out for critical points that I'm going to take out my profit, or I'll just silently trail my stop loss. So guys, that's just the basic strategy that I use. I actually share this strategy with a lot of you guys. The market actually play with my emotion, bringing me to profit, bringing me to loss, but I know my analysis and I trust my analysis. So all I want the market to do is just to play around, and I'm going to get what I want at the end of the day. Thank you guys. I just this video just to show you guys how I trade and how to also trade on a small account. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new here to the channel. Please like this video and also share this video so that this video can and reach out to more other persons, guys. Share. Thanks for watching. Catch you up in my next one.